Hey friends, it's Sejal and welcome to my channel. Today let's make this white pretty snowflake wreath. To make this I used green ring. If you get white, please use white. I didn't have one, so I used whatever I had. And then I took this 15-foot ribbon, which is of white color and snowflake design is there on it. It's solid enough to hide the green color. And this packet of snowflakes, these rhinestones, they are of assorted sizes. I covered the ring with the ribbon and then I used one piece of ribbon to make a loop so I can hang it to the door or window. Now I took snowflakes and on the back of the wreath I glued them on the side, like one inward, one outward. And on the front side I'm putting this snowflake on middle. Once I decided the pattern, I started gluing them together. Okay, so this is a look from back. Now I'm taking the rhinestones and gluing them on the snowflake. I'm gluing big rhinestone on the middle and smaller sizes on the sides. Okay, so once I completed on back, it looks like this. Now, once done on the back side, started gluing snowflakes on front. For front side, I'm putting them on the middle and overlapping them little bit. And then same as back, gluing a bigger rhinestone in the middle and small sizes on the sides. So this is the final result. Hope you all like it. Please try on your own and have happy holidays. Enjoy with your families and friends and stay healthy. Bye bye. Take care.